Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Good morning. Happy Sunday.
Hello.
Hi. Ailey, happy Sunday. She's very busy. Okay, so hello. Yes, we are on our way to the Clark County Fair in Logandale. This is our first like real fair.
Maybe your first real fair.
What was your first real fair?
The Hamlin County Fair.
Where's that? Is that in like the Poconos or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Like I've been to like carnivals and stuff, but I don't know, that doesn't really count as like a fair, right?
No.
Yeah. Anyway, so first time for me, I think.
First rodeo.
First rodeo, true. Yes, because there is a rodeo there. Rodeo. So first for me, first for Ailey. Yeah, so there's supposed to be like a rodeo there, carnival, just like usual fairground stuff. We're actually going with our neighbors, so that's gonna be super fun. It's actually a really nice day out today. It's like, right now it's what, 60s? Yeah, like mid 60s. I think the high is like high 70s maybe, but feels very nice. Got a little breeze going. But yeah, so we are on our way there. It's about an hour away, so just take a little mini road trip. Check in when we get there.
Good morning. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Map schedule. Thank you. Of course. Y'all need a map schedule. Y'all.
I don't need it, you know.
Right. Hope we go to Disneyland though. Yeah.
That's why when I say I don't know. Oh, easy goodbye. I say
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Oh, there's all these like food trucks. That's good.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow, I haven't been around like horse smells in a long time. Ooh, donuts. Get some corn dogs there later. Officially vlogging now. Sorry, we just walked in. We're just heading over to the pig race. So, but I'll give you a little tour as we walk. Tons of food. Ooh. There's the turkey leg stand that I probably won't get.
Welcome, race fans. Welcome to the Clark County Fair and Rodeo. How y'all doing today? All right, good to hear from y'all. Welcome as well to the Swifty Swine Swimming and Racing Pig Show. Now, before we get going, oh, there we go. Racing these little power-packed pigs around the track. I want to know how many of you all out here right now have never been to a pig race before? Raise your hand. All right, well, quite a few y'all out there. So I'm going to start off then by telling each and every one of you rookies a little bit about pig racing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you all know that. Hold on tight. Here we go. There, 1, 2, 3, there. This is a kid over the 2, 1, 3, 4. Let's try to hit number 3. Over the 4th direction. Will be number 1. Number 1 for ringing home the bacon that time. I tell you where they're going to go. Come on over here, sweetheart. Yes, come on over this way because you are going to take up some more cookies and pigs now tonight. You watch out, honey. Everything when you're a little world-class swimming and diving pig, all conditions have got to be right for make the dive. She is eyeing the water and sniffing around for that Oreo cookie. Deep down inside that little pig, their courage and confidence is building until she gets right up here to the edge and leaps in the water to dive. You will not believe. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yes, doing a little piggy diving a pound for you. Shout out an Oreo cookie. Give it up for Swifty, your swimming pig.
What the hell?
it and then the other ones move.
That last one, the outside, is super annoying. Yeah.
What's in here?
Oh, like
cool. You can like pet. Yeah, it's like the sandbox. That's cool. Ailey, look. Wow.
You know you want her back in the car.
Cowfax. Is this so cool? Look at that.
Those make yummy food like ice cream.
Oh, like actually like coming out of there. Well, Ailey, look, there are chickens. Chickens. What's here? Should I try to put Ailey there? Ailey, you want to take a picture? Yeah, ride the tracker.
Yeah, this one's kind of pretty actually. I feel bad that someone's gonna eat that one day.
Ailey, look! Look at this one. This one's sleeping. Oh, look at this guy, Ailey. Did you hear that? Oh, why are there like ducks? Oh, it looks like a turkey. What the heck? Why is it so fluffy? What are you? You're very fluffy. Yeah. What is going on?
Oh, that one laid an egg.
Whoa! It legit. Did that really just happen? Wait, seriously? Did that just come out of you? Ma'am? Ma'am? I saw the butthole.
Yeah, I saw the
Not
hole.
even I saw the butthole. It's the
Look at
other
the
hole.
pig.
What's in there?
Egg.
Oh, these are like the pigs?
So it's like the mama pig and the baby pig.
Oh.
Oh.
Can I go see Ailey?
Did you pet it?
Do you want to see?
Go over there. Here, go that way and take it off and shake it out.
Oh my god.
Then they're gonna fly on you.
It's oh my god. Ailey, look at the fishy.
I guess you can just pet it.
Oh my god. Yeah, I wouldn't. Oh my god. Those are freaking adorable. Mama Pig is like knocked out.
Yeah, she's like,
nah, I'm good.
Like, give me a break.
You wanna go see, honey?
Like over here.
The little babies are so cute.
My ear has a bigger one.
Ooh, look!
That's huge.
There's a horse.
And the horse,
He's beautiful.
Look
Look at that.
I said imagine getting pictures.
And there's a goat. Wow, look at the babies. Look at the babies.
Too busy back there? Yeah, I said she's
Look at these. Oh my god. Look how cute. There's one over there too. Look. There. Little mini horse. Hello, sir. chilling. So pretty. Look at the babies. They're so cute. You see the donkey? Hey, look at the donkey. The donkey too. Hi, donkey. Do you want to see? Do you want to see donkey?
Alright guys, hey, let's have some fun, guys. We're gonna warm you guys up with a couple of dogs. We call this our warm-up session. One dog out of the other. A little pitch and catch to do one. The guys, if you see something you like out here, don't be afraid to make some noise. Hoot and holler. All these dogs you're about to see out here definitely feed off your applause. So let's just go with our first dog, guys. It's a beautiful 3.5-year-old Border Collie Whippet, guys. Give it up for Taz. Come on out here, Taz. Woo! This guy's super, super fast, guys. Check him out. Come on, Taz. Watch out, buddy. Yeah. Super fast right here. Again, 3.5-year-old Border Collie Whippet. Next. Watch out, young man. Alright, here we go, buddy. Let's see if we can get a little air right there for these folks right there. Up there you go, buddy. Good job. All right. Guys, give it up for Taz. Let's hear from him. Good job. All right. Hey, next up, we got a brand spanking new dog show for you guys. A new dog for you guys. He is a 1-year-old Border Collie. He comes to us from the Phoenix, Arizona area. Guys, give it up for Poppy. Come on out here, Poppy. All right. Okay, let's go. Oh, let's go. Come on, let's go. Get up. All right, guys, here we go. How about a little spin around right here? Ready? Oh, let's go. Ready, go, buddy. Here we go. Oh, let's go. Pop, get that frisbee. Yeah. Let's go. Now, this is the trick with this new dog here. Trying to get this guy to drop this frisbee. Come on, Pop. You're going to drop that frisbee. Go. Oh, let's go, Pop. All the way down here. You got it. All right, one more for Pop. Come on, guys. Give this guy some encouragement. Let's make some noise, guys. Come on, Pop. Good job. Let's go. Ready to go. Go. Come on. In the tent. How about in the tent right there, buddy? Ready? Give it up for Poppy, guys. Good job. All right. Hey, our next dog. Now check this one out, guys. He's a handicapped dog. That's right. He's got 3 legs. Guys, give it up for Vic. Come on out here, Vic. All right. He's a tripod. Hey, where's your leg? Pop, hey, get on over here, buddy. He's a little shy. Hey, let's go here, buddy. Oh, get on over here. I know. All right, buddy. Let's see if we catch your frisbee. Catch your frisbee. Ready? So, where do you go? Let's go. Go. Let's go. Come on, guys. Give this dog some encouragement. Come on, let's go, buddy. Come on, let's go. Come on, one more time. Come on, you can do it. Ready to go. Come on, Mick. Let's go. Go, Mick. Let's go. Come on, Mick. You can do it. Last but not least, I think you guys can like this dog right here. Another new dog to the show, guys. 28 pounds of dynamite. He's from Indianapolis, guys. Give it up for Kip. Come on out here, Kip. Watch that. Kip, let's go, buddy. Here we go. Come on, Kip. Let's look at this boy in the air. Watch that. Come on, buddy. Look at this boy in the air, people. Trying to get one more time. Let's go. Kip. Come on, let's go. Up we go, my daddy. Good job. All right, silly catcher. Let's go, Kip. Ready to go. Let's go through. Come on, let's go through. Come on, let's go through one more time. A nice little chest ball. Stay right there, Kip. Let's go. Up we go. Come on, guys. Here we go. We're coming down the stretch. Let's go. Ready to go, buddy. Here we go. All the way down there. All right, let's go. 2 legs. Let's go, Kip. Let's go. Up we go. Good job. All right. Guys, give it up for Kip. Let's hear for him. All right. Good job. And a 2. Come on, Kip. Get up there, buddy. And a 3. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's ride it up there. One more time, guys. Give it up for Kip. Let's hear for him. Hey. This is the veteran of the show. He's a 12-year-old dog. And when you see this dog, you're not going to believe this dog's 12 years old. He's a Belgian Malamon, Dutch Shepherd mix. Guys, give it up for Steve. Come on out here. Let's go, buddy. Here we go. Yeah. 12 years old. He just finished his drug testing class. He's a drug dog. You guys want to see how he works? Let's walk into the crowd right here. Let's walk into the crowd. Look. This guy just ran right there. Hey. All right. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Check it out. Check it out. We're going to run see with a couple of silly catchers. Let's go see. There you go. How about wheel deal legs right here? Go over yourself. Right, here we go. He's a little slow, they say. Let's go through. Let's go through. Let's go through. Nice to the part. Here we go, guys. I'm going to hold Bubba. I want to count to 3. Then he's going to catch over on the other side, guys. You ready? Let's make some noise, guys. Here we go. 1, and 2, and 3. Come on, go. Yeah. All right, guys. You know, we're through messing around. We're going to see if we can end the show with something we created about 10 years ago. Here, up into this bar right here. So no matter one last time, let's make some noise, guys. Come on, let's go. Keep it going, guys. Come on, keep it going, guys. Keep it going. On the count of 3, guys. Are you ready? Taz, let's go. Yep. Come on, Taz. 1. Come on, Taz. Come on, Taz. Let's go, buddy. 1. Come on, Taz. Let's go. Come on, Taz. Come on, Taz. Let's go, buddy. Go, Taz. Up. Come on, Taz. Up. 1. And then 2. Go, Taz. Go. Hey, I want to know right now, did you guys have fun?
Okay, we are back home. Bernard made steak for dinner. Ooh, look at that.
Bloody.
Arugula, macaroni salad. Bernard, Ailey's back there. Pocahontas on TV. That was... yeah, so the fair was fun. Ailey slept through most of it. But still, it was a really good time. Nice weather. Yeah, it was a really good day. Nice hanging out with our neighbors. And a good way to enjoy local-esque activity, even though it was like an hour away from us. Anyway, that is the end of today's video. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Just loving